Okay, so I am at this location now where these bird nest. And where I'm at is a sanctuary for bird, fish sanctuary. So you know, in the mangrove, anywhere there's mangrove, there will be fish fingerling. Okay, in the water right now, you can see a small barracuda. You can also see some small fingerling. Yeah, but what I really want to make this video about is this video should be about birds. Those birds. So as you can see, I have been admiring those birds and their tactics, their survival tactics. And what I have realized so far, those birds, those white birds, some of them, you have both parent bird you have some of them over there with both parent bird, while you have some with just single parent. What I realized so far is that the nest with the single parent usually, to me, I think they have a rougher way of getting around, because one parent would have to go hunt 2 times in order for them to feed both chicks. You understand? So what I realized is that when the single parent would go out and come in and feed one of the chick, that would be enough. That is enough for, you only can bring enough for one. So that same bird would have to go out again, hunt, coming back to feed the chick that wouldn't have got any before. You understand? So what happened now with the nest now with both parent, one would stay while one go and hunt. The one that go out and hunt would come back, feed one of the chick, while the one that was there before would go out and the second hunting, while the one that was out before would stay. Yeah, so that's what I've seen so far. I'm gonna zoom a little bit on them now, so that you can actually the camera is not that expensive, the phone is not that expensive, so the zoom, when I zoom to the max, it won't show clear as an iPhone would. So if you notice, you have two right there where I'm pointing. Those two are chicks. And from the other day, I've realized that there's only one parent bird in that nest with those two chicks. So the parent went before, while I was here, the parent bird came in, feed one, and went back out to feed the other one. So they are there now waiting while the parent bird is out hunting. So while you're here, you will see them come and go. Also, you have the pelican. They also, the pelican don't lay here. They just I think they just sleep and ready because you know they feed in this area. They feed in this area, so they just stay there for a time. Let me just zoom in on some of them. Okay, so you know you have one right there, so yeah, that one, and about 4 of them over there. Yeah, so and this video is unedited, you know, just raw as you can see. So what I want you guys to do, just don't fail to subscribe. Please don't be afraid to comment and share if you find the video interested and you know someone who will find the video interested as well. Don't be so mean and keep it by yourself. Thank you for your time, your watch time. Okay. Those two fighting right there. Yeah, let me just firm up my hand right there. Oh, it was not a fight, it was a adult bird fighting a chick. There's a barracuda right there.